Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can download safely and securely Windows 10 ISO file. So regardless if you have or if you want professional version, home edition, or whatever version of Windows 10 you want, this video will show you how you can download and use it. So first thing which you want to do, you want to open your browser. If it's Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer, and you want to type download Windows 10. Once you have clicked, make sure to select download Windows 10 disk image. If you cannot find it, it's not a problem, just make sure to access the main page of Windows 10. Once there, we will click on download tool. Once you have clicked and downloaded the tool, we will then go to the file where your downloads are being saved. It's usually in downloads. In my case, it's in programs. And we will click with the right button of the mouse, select the tool which we have downloaded now, click with the right button of the mouse, and select Run as Administrator. Once done, Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to apply changes to your device. You can go ahead and click Yes. This Windows logo will appear, and you will need to wait a few seconds or 1 minute until this little window appear again. This window is the Windows 10 setup. It doesn't change or modify your computer. It is just loading the interface of Windows 10 so that it allows you to download the Windows 10 ISO file. The operation, it might be slow or long, maximum 2 minutes, based on how fast is your computer and also how fast is your internet and how busy is the server of Windows. Once loading the interface is completed, you will see the applicable notice and license terms. If you would like, you can always go through and read all the terms. In my case, I just scroll to the bottom to see if there is anything special, and then I just click accept. Again, Windows will go for a few seconds to 1 or 2 minutes to load or get few things ready, and then we will be popped to select which architecture of Windows 10 we want to download, if it's 32 or 64-bit. Again, once the loading few things is ready or the setup is ready, we will just go ahead and select create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC, and we will click next. Here, Windows has automatically detected the settings of my computer. My computer is set to English language. I have architecture of 64-bit, my processor, and the whole computer works on 64-bit. However, some computers might be working on 32-bit, so you want to make sure which one to download. If you are not sure, or if you are not willing to use the same settings of the computer from which you are downloading, then use the recommended options for this PC. And next step will be that you will select both so that you can use both, and then you click next. In my case, I know I want just 32-bit to be used for another computer, then we'll just select 32-bit. For the Windows 10 edition, you cannot change anything because it will download everything which is needed. So from this ISO file, you can either install Windows 10 Home, Professional, and all the other editions if you want. Just download this one, and later when you are installing, you will be able to choose which one you want. For now, we will click next. Make sure that you select the language which you want. If you want French, English, Hebrew, whatever. And once completed, click next to go ahead. Here, instead of selecting USB flash drive, we'll just go ahead and select ISO file, and we will click next. Windows will load you to the location where you want to save. I will just put it here in the desktop, and we can click save. Once done, Windows will start getting few things ready, and after a few seconds it will start downloading, and you will see that through the progress of your download was completed. An ISO file will be created in the location where you have allowed Windows to save, and you will be able to use it. Usually this operation takes 5-6 minutes to be completed, and you can keep also using your computer without any issues. For now, I will just pause the video here, and we will take over once it's completed. Now the operation of the download has been completed, and you can click on the first link to find out where Windows has saved the ISO file. So for me, as I choose the desktop, so it's already right there, I can just go ahead, close the file, and I can see it here, the ISO file. Once it's completed, you can just go ahead, click finish, and you have your ISO file ready to be used, and you can go ahead and use it as you like. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial. If you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to get our latest video. And if you like this video, you can always press like, and if you didn't like, you can always press dislike. And you can also leave a comment with your suggestion what we can improve and what you didn't like. Thank you again for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.